Okay, let's discuss about the conditional operators in Java. They compare Boolean values. Boolean values are true and false. Let's look at the symbols. Two pipe symbols, two vertical lines on your keyboard next to each other is used for comparing OR. The two ampersand symbol is used for comparing AND. The next one is question mark and colon. This is used for shorthand if then else statement. As programmers, we understand the programs better. So let's take a look at the program to understand this one better. Okay, let's take a look at a program to understand these concepts better. The first one is AND condition. So I'll declare two variables, int age and weight. Age is say 16 years. Weight of this person is 110 pounds. I'll go ahead and then check the ampersand condition. To do that, we will print. I want a person older than 10 years old and the weight is greater than 100 pounds. Look at this condition closely here. Basically, this condition checks both of these left hand side condition as well as right hand side condition and ensures that both of them are true. In this condition, this person is older than 10 years old, greater than 10, and weighs above 100 pounds. So this should print true. Let's go ahead and then run this program. Yes, this prints true because both of them are true. Let's modify this. I want a person who weighs more than 120 pounds. So now I'll go ahead and then run this. This prints false because the right hand condition is false. Although left hand condition is true, it doesn't matter. Both of them needs to be true. So that's the AND condition. Let's take a look at the OR condition. OR is nothing but either left hand side is true or right hand side is true. In this case, since left hand side is already true, but it is going to print the true. It is true. So now let's go ahead and then see whether if I say I need a person greater than 16, older than 16, and weighs above 120 weighs above 120 pounds. I want any of this condition to be true. It is false because both the conditions are false. So that's about the ampersand, that's about the AND condition and the OR condition. Let's now go ahead and then look at the shorthand if then else. To do that, I'll retain the age. I'll assign say 16-year-old. The shorthand is if then else is basically checks a condition. If it is true, it will print certain value. If it is false, it will return a different value. To check that, I'll use the system.out.println. If age is less than or equal to 10, say assume that it's a ticket price, I want 5, and if the age is greater than or greater than 10, then I want to charge them $10. So let's take a look at this a little bit closely. If they are younger than 10 years old, I want to charge $5. So if this condition is true, then it is $5. You placed immediately after the question mark. If the age is greater than 10, then I want to charge them $10. So let's go ahead and then run this. So it is charging $10 because age is 16 years. So let's change this to 9-year-old. For 9-year-old, we charge only $5. So this should basically return $5. So there you see. So this is the shorthand if then else condition.